Guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nesala Gowda. Those who are new to my channel, here I'll be uploading your weekly, monthly, mid-month love career prediction based on your sun, moon and rising sign. This reading is going to be for the Libra for the 19th, 20th and the 21st of the August. Okay, this is not like the rest of the reading. So before starting the reading, those who are interested in personal readings, you guys can contact me through my email ID, which is already given in the description. Okay, so in this reading, Libra, I'm going to take a look at your past situation, present situation, future situation. I'm going to clarify some of the cards for you and end up the reading pulling some final advice. Okay, Libra, we have 7 of Cups, we have Queen of Wands, 10 of Cups. The overall energy here we have is the 2 of Swords. So what I'm getting in my mind at the right present moment is you're having the right person standing in front of you, or you're going to have the right person in front of you during 19th, 20th and the 21st of the August. But the thing is, you'll be so confused about this person. That's the energy. There is some though there is a lot of things you see this person is having that you really want you to be with in your life, or though there is a lot of compatibility, though there is a lot of understandings you both will be having, but still there will be this kind of confusion in your head. Could be dealing with the Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. This person could be coming your way. This is the one who may be related to a business, who is already settled in their life. Maybe this person have already got success in their career, or they have settled. Maybe who is elder than you. Okay, but there's a confusion. The overall energy, it's a total of confusion. That's what I see here for you, Libra. Okay, I'm gonna clarify first the 2 of Swords. Why I felt like this is the right person, because we have the 10 of Cups here. So definitely this is the one who is totally having emotions for you, or the one who had already in the before, or the one who is a perfect match for you. Okay, I'm going to clarify the 2 of Swords for you, Libra. The 2 of Swords is clarified by the King of Cups, Page of Swords, 8 of Pentacles. Yes, I do feel there is a situation. Okay, this person is one who is like very settled person. Maybe this person is having abundance of money, or this person is the one who is so dedicated in their career. That kind of person you might be seeing in the 3 days, Libra. Okay, though you see that yes, I can really trust this person. Yeah, this person is actually giving me the emotions I want. This person is the one I can actually trust. But there is another part of you, Libra, who is spying on this person, who is looking at this person, just making a face like no, I'm not interested right now. I don't know anything about you. It's like that. Though you believe this person, yes, there is emotional connections between us. Maybe this is the one with whom you already gone through a breakup. Maybe there was a disconnection happened. There was a break happened between you and the other person. Maybe that's why you guys are actually looking at. You can see the Page of Swords. I do feel this is your energy. The King of Cups is your partner's energy. I think you guys are having a lack of clarity about this person. That's why you are continuously working towards it. In order to get some clarity, you guys are actually digging the hole, like digging the solution. That's what I see here for you, Libra. Okay, that's kind of overall energy that will be the chance. I'm going to clarify the Queen of Wands. Who is this person coming for some of you in the present moment? The Queen of Wands is clarified by the 10 of Pentacles, the Moon, the Emperor. Yes, this is the one, Libra. This is the one who is coming your way. The one whom you can actually rely on. This is the family man. Okay, I don't feel this is someone at 20. I don't really feel this is a teenage person. I am getting a vibe here. This is someone whom you already know in your life. This person already came in your life before. Maybe you had family together for some of you. Okay, whatever this person is representing your family. Maybe this person is coming here in order to show you, in order to give show you love, how the family people does, or to get into you in a deep way. Okay, the thing what's happening here is you don't see. Okay, it's you don't see this, all these are happening. Is maybe this person is caring about you or doing something in a hidden way, or you want this person to test, or you want to know how this person feels about you right in front of your face. Maybe that's what you guys are expecting about this person, but you do feel this person actually cares me. But when this person comes in front of me, they don't show me all this care. Maybe this person is not very good at expressing their feelings in the front of the face. That's what I see here. Whoever this is this person who is already settled in their life, or this person is very good at finance. This person is very known as a family person. Okay, that's what I see here. But you don't see all these things. You're not getting a chance to see their good qualities, good behaviors right in front of you. Maybe you're not ready to accept till you experience it. That's what I'm getting here with the Queen of Wands. I'm going to clarify the Seven of Cups here for you, Libra. Why some of you are actually feeling so confused about this person. The Seven of Cups is clarified by the Page of Wands, Seven of Swords, Ten of Cups. Yes, definitely this person is ready to start a new connection with you, Libra, waiting for an opportunity to start something new with you. That's what I see here. Okay, you're the one who is actually thinking that all those negativities in your head. Sorry, I don't really feel this person so sorry, I don't really feel this person is that way. Yes, maybe you disconnected from this person in the past, and right now this person is present in front of you. You're not sure what to do. You in the past actually decided to let go, and again this person is coming here, but not like the same way. This person have grown up furthermore in their life. That's why for many of you there is a confusion in your head. That's what I see here. With the Libras, I don't really feel like you have to be so confused about this person, because this person is now stable. That you don't see. Okay, there's a lot of confusion. You are the reason. Okay, your own means you for yourself, you're raising all these confusions in your head. I do feel like this, Libra. There is a truth standing in front of you, but still you're not ready to accept it and get something big in your life. That's what I see here. So decision is up to you. That is all I have for the Libra people. If you guys like the video, then please don't forget to hit the like button. Please do subscribe to my channel. You guys can also follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description. I shall see you all in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.